Coaches, here is the snatch warm-up we're going to be starting this cycle with. The focus is going to be getting people comfortable with the bar against their hip, like in this position. So what you're going to want to do first, get everyone with a PVC pipe to find their snatch grip. The bar should rest right here at the crease of the hip, and then just have them kind of bounce it against their body a few times so they can feel where it should be touching. That bar during this dip of these next few drills, the bar should not slide. It should just stay glued right there. If I dip, the bar stays against my body in the same position. It does not float down my thighs, all right? So here's how this warm-up's gonna go. First, we're just going kind of slow. We're just gonna dip, stand, and then high pull. Keep that bar very close to the body. So dip, stand, high pull. Dip, stand, high pull. It's almost 2 movements. We're doing 5 reps total. After 2 or 3 reps, then have them emphasize launching the bar off the hip. So now it's more of a hip-driven movement. Dip, high pull. Dip, high pull. From here, we're gonna switch gears. Same grip, put the bar on the back. We're gonna jump and punch into what feels like the landing of a power snatch. So it's a snatch grip, behind the neck, push, jerk, jump, punch, stand, reset the feet. Okay, so the emphasis here is that jump up and then a quick punch with the arm to lock it out. Now we're gonna come back to the hip for our next one, and we can start this kind of slow. We're just gonna do a dip drive like we did into a muscle snatch. And I'd actually encourage the first 2 reps to just be slow, keep the bar very close to the body, pull up as high as you can with the elbows. So dip, stand, high pull, turn over. If I go from the side, you can see how close it stays. Dip, stand, high pull, turn over. Then we're gonna do a couple reps with speed and really emphasize that punch on the turnover. Dip, muscle snatch, dip, muscle snatch. Then we're gonna put it all together, and from that same dip position, we're gonna jump and punch. Again, we don't want that bar sliding down the thighs. We also don't want to lean forward yet, all right? We're just gonna dip straight down, jump and punch. And that's gonna be the end of the drill with the PVC pipe, 5 reps each. After that, give them a barbell and have them go through 2 reps each of the dip, high pull, behind the neck, the muscle snatch, and then putting it all together. Then once we're done, we're at the board briefing, we can remind them, hey guys, you're not starting from here. It's perfectly fine that you hinge forward into this hang position, but remember, to get that bar to the hip, you just lean back and treat it like a jump. The reason we're not going over the hang position and the floor and all that stuff is we're just trying to keep it simple. We haven't snatched in a while. A lot of people miss making contact with the hip, and that's the most important position in order to really generate some power into the bar. So that's all we're focusing on in this warm-up today. All right, guys, enjoy coaching this.